Imagine getting deeper, smarter, more useful answers from AI just by changing a single prompt. Today we're diving into a technique that does exactly that. It's called collab prompting, and it flips AI from a quick one-turn answer machine into an actual collaborative partner. If you've ever felt like AI gives you shallow, rushed responses, this technique is going to change the game. Before we go further, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment so you never miss insights that give you a real edge. Collab prompting comes from a growing problem in how AI models are trained. Most large language models are tuned through RLHF, where human testers reward fast, one-turn answers. The result is an AI that defaults to quick replies, even when your question is complex. Forbes explains that this creates a myopic next-turn style that robs human AI conversations of depth. Think about it. You ask how to fix a leak under your sink, and the AI gives you a one-sentence guess. It doesn't ask follow-up questions. It doesn't check assumptions. It doesn't try to understand your real intent. That's not because it can't. It's because the training process taught it to optimize for fast responses instead of thorough collaboration. Collab prompting is a workaround. It nudges the AI into long-horizon thinking. Instead of rushing to conclusions, the AI slows down, asks clarifying questions, and helps uncover your true goals. And research backs this up. A study called collab showed that models tuned for multi-turn collaboration outperform standard LLMs because they optimize for long-term interaction, not quick hits. Here's where it gets practical. The article offers two templates. The short version tells the AI to be collaborative and treat the conversation as a shared journey. The long version adds instructions to ask questions, handle ambiguity, surface intentions, and focus on the whole dialogue instead of quick wins. Using them transforms the interaction. In Forbes' example, the regular prompt produced a vague suggestion to write a book or start a blog. But when the collab prompt was used, the AI asked about motivations, preferences, and goals before suggesting anything. That's the power of collaboration. And you can use it on any major model, from ChatGPT to Claude, Gemini, Grok, Llama, and more. Here's the takeaway. Use collab prompting when the problem is complex, or when you want the AI to think with you instead of at you. Save the fast prompts for simple questions, but switch to a collab prompt the moment you feel like the AI is giving you shallow answers. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments what you want to explore next with AI. And be sure to watch the related video in the corner to deepen your AI skills. Thanks for watching. Now go experiment with collab prompting and turn your AI into a true partner.